Chapter 13. India's Agriculture and Livestock. India is an agricultural land. Indian farmers use 55% of the total agricultural land and 70% population of our country depends on agricultural activities. We get 45% of our national income from agriculture. That is why we give much importance to agriculture. Our government has started many programs for the development of agriculture, which are known as Green Revolution. We have developed our agriculture by using the following resources of our country. 1. Seeds. 2. Fertilizers and medicines, pesticides. 3. Agricultural tools. 4. Sources of irrigation. In India, we have two main agricultural seasons. 1. Kharif season. The Kharif season begins with the onset of monsoon. Rice, maize, millet, cotton and jute are the main Kharif crops. 2. Rabi season. This season starts when the rainy season ends and autumn begins. Main Rabi crops are wheat, mustard, gram, sugarcane, linseed and barley. Indian farmers grow both food crops and cash crops. Food crops. Food crops are grown to be consumed by the people of the country. Major food crops grown in India are discussed below. Rice. Rice is a major food grain of our country. India ranks second in its production. It grows in hot and humid climate, high temperature and heavy rainfall. Lots of laborers sow this crop in standing water. It is grown in West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh. It is also grown in Punjab and Haryana because many means of irrigation are easily available here. 3 crops of rice are grown in southern India. Wheat. Wheat is the second major food grain of our country. It is grown in moderate rainfall and alluvial soil. It is grown in winter season and harvested in summer season. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan are the major states where wheat is grown. Fact file. The northern plains of India are called the wheat ball of India. Maize. Maize is produced in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu. High temperature and moderate rainfall is required for maize crop. Jawar and Bajra. Jawar and Bajra are grown in dry climate and less fertile land. These crops do not need heavy rainfall. They are mainly grown in Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Fact file. Jawar, Bajra, maize and ragi are also called millets. Pulses. The major pulses of our country are arhar, moong, masoor, urad, gram, etc. They have many nutrients in them. They are grown all over the country. Cash crops. Cash crops are grown to be sold or for export. Major cash crops are oil seeds. Oil seeds provide oil for cooking food. Some crops provide us such type of seeds which are used to extract oil called vegetable oil. Groundnut, mustard, linseed, sesame, castor and sunflower are the major oil-giving crops. These crops are produced all over India. Sugarcane. India ranks second in the world in the production of sugarcane. High temperature and heavy rainfall is required to produce sugarcane, but the drainage should be very good. Sugarcane is used to make sugar, gur or jaggery and khand. Uttar Pradesh ranks first in India in the production of sugarcane. It is also grown in Punjab, Haryana, Bihar, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Tea and coffee. Tea and coffee are very popular beverages of the people of our country. India is the largest producer and exporter of tea in the world. Indian tea is the best in the world. Heavy rainfall and sloppy land is required to produce it. Sloppy land is good for drainage, and good drainage is necessary for these crops. Tea is produced in Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh and Karnataka. Coffee is also a plantation crop. Coffee and cocoa are grown in Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Cotton and jute. Cotton and jute are the main fiber crops of India. High temperature, high rainfall in the beginning and black soil are necessary to produce cotton. Maharashtra and Gujarat are the major producer states of these crops. Punjab, Haryana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Madhya Pradesh are the other producer states of cotton. Hot and humid climate and fertile land are necessary for the crop of jute. Jute is mainly produced in the delta of Ganga. Cotton is used to make cloth and jute is used to make gunny bags, ropes and carpets. Fact file: jute is known as the golden fiber of India. Spices. The Malabar coast of Kerala and Karnataka are the main producers of spices. Black pepper, cardamom, cloves, chilies, ginger, turmeric, etc. are some of the popular spices of India. A large variety of vegetables and fruits, rubber, tobacco, etc. are also grown in India. India is the second largest producer of fruits and vegetables. Livestock. Our country is rich in livestock. We have the highest number of cattle in the world, but their breeds are not very good. Cows, buffaloes, sheep, goats, camels, dogs and cats are domestic animals. Cows and bullocks are called cattle. Cows, buffaloes, goats, camels, etc. give us milk. They are called milch animals. Milk and milk products like cheese, butter, ghee, etc. come from these animals. We get wool from sheep, camels and goats. Cattle also help in plowing the fields. Bullocks are used as the means of transportation. Cattle waste is used as manure and also used to produce biogas. These days, cattle are given good quality diet and special medical attention. Operation Flood helped in increasing the production of milk and income of farmers. The White Revolution has not only increased the quantity of milk production but also made India a world leader in milk production. Hens, sheep, goats, etc. provide us meat and eggs. We keep dogs and cats as our pets. Dogs protect us and our houses from thieves and dacoits, while cats protect our useful property from harmful creatures such as rats, mice, etc. Points to remember. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people of India. Indian farmers grow a large variety of food and cash crops. Kharif and Rabi are the two main agricultural seasons. White Revolution and Operation Flood helped in increasing the production of milk and income of farmers.